gonna melt some more butter. Mix in. Flour here. So we need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Add that to our bowl. We're going to switch to our half measuring cup here. Make sure we get a half, and we're going to dump that in. Okay, and then that's our flour. And then we're going to add 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Mikey, here, you want to add the baking powder in?
This stuff?
Yep, that's this. We're going to add 3 of those, 3.5 of those.
Which side?
It doesn't matter, they're both the same.
So,
wait, nope, even it out off the top. Yep, that's fine.
That's it?
Yep, that's 1.
And
No,
here?
no, you got to put it in our bowl.
Oh, okay.
We got to mix our ingredients.
3?
Yep. Level it. 3.5 actually. So we'll have to estimate a half of that.
Oh, 3.5.
Mm-hmm.
Is that?
That's probably a little too much. If you
Oh
wanna-
well. Yeah, close
Okay.
enough.
Okay. We're just gonna guesstimate, and then now we need 1 tablespoon of white sugar. You want to grab some sugar here? No, that's 1 tablespoon of that.
No, I'm not very smart.
Grab our sugar out.
Close enough.
Mm-hmm. Put that in there. And then we're gonna need
2 tablespoons of sweeter.
1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and I didn't grab the teaspoon of salt, so let me grab the salt out of here. And that is, so we're just gonna barely pour any salt in here.
And a
Like
bit
that.
of force.
Yep, so we're gonna dump our salt in.
Just dump it in the pan.
And then we're gonna add our 1 1/4 cups of milk.
One. Oh.
Yep.
Cup. Where's the cup thing?
Here's the 1. Oh, that's not the 1 enough. Here's a 1/4. Here's the 1 over here. There you go. The 1 had our flour in it, but it's fine. So we're gonna add the 1 there.
Just.
Yep, just pour 1 in there.
Oh, full.
Yep, full. It says to make a well in here in your ingredients. So if you make a well that's like that, just to pour that in the center.
Okay.
And then you can just dump that in. And then we're gonna add another 1/4. I have the 1/4 of a measuring cup over there beside you for the milk.
Mhm. Got it.
Okay.
Got close enough.
I filled up a little bit more.
I don't want to spill it.
It's okay. It's kind of hard to do, okay? And then pour that milk in. And then we need our 3 tablespoons of butter that's melted up here. In the microwave. Let's see if that melted. Is it melted? Nope, we're gonna have to microwave it again another like 20 seconds. We're gonna get a spoon here to mix this up.
This is a one-time go, Mom.
Okay.
Spoon.
Wait, we're gonna wait and dump our butter in there.
Okay.
Let's put our lid back on our milk before we knock that off the counter and spill that.
Is that hot? The milk is on.
No. No. The rear burner's hot. That's the one that's melting our.
Butter's hot.
Okay, so we're gonna dump our butter in here. Actually, probably a fork might work better to mix this, just because it's gonna break it up a little bit. And a spoon. If we need a spoon, we can use a spoon, but mix really well. We want all that powder mixed in,
Mm-hmm.
so it's not flaky at all.
What about the stuff on the outside?
Yep, just add that in there.
What if it doesn't
Feed
go
all
in
that
there?
in. I'm gonna try to get as many lumps as possible. We can use a spoon a little bit. Let's take a break with that and put that in there. And
You're not recording anything.
oh yeah, I am. Do you want to hold it while I stir, or do you want to stir?
Yeah.
Just trying to get all this off the bottom and the sides here. Make sure we're getting all of our dry ingredients mixed in well with our wet ingredients. And we're gonna, we're gonna dump our butter because we actually just burnt our butter. And we're gonna dump our butter in the skillet here. I really just wanted to get our skillet nice and hot. Put our butter in there. Our butter shouldn't take long to melt now. Okay, that's our skillet's definitely nice and hot, so we're gonna melt some more butter here real quick so we can dump our pancakes in. Melting some butter in there.
Nice. This fork's blue.
And then we're gonna get that all nice and coated. And we're gonna dump a spoonful of pancake mix in there.
So that should be enough for, right? That's probably enough. Still a little lumpy, but.
And we're just gonna let that start cooking until the edges bubble. It's gonna be a lumpy pancake. Let's get our spatula out here so we can flip it. What's right there?
Nothing wrong with a lumpy pancake.
Might be a little lumpy. Okay. We just gotta wait here on our pancakes for a minute.
Do you wanna do it when it's ready?
I'll flip it when it's ready.
I would mess
And
up.
take it a few minutes. It's always a good indicator when the pancake starts to pop. Like it has bubbles on the inside. Now starting to brown on the other side, so we'll give it a minute. We're going to give it a quick little flip.
It's a little light on that side still.
That's okay. We can always flip it back over and cook it a little bit more. We just don't want to burn our pancake.
It's a thick pancake.
It's kind of a thick pancake. We got kind of a thick batter here for some reason.
Probably not enough milk.
That's what the recipe called for. I think you did fine on the milk. It just might be thick, fluffy pancakes. That just might be the way they're made.
Those ones don't look thick on the picture though. That's probably just a
I think they look pretty
stock picture.
Yeah. Okay, we'll flip it back over and cook the other side. And just let it finish cooking the middle some.
The middle still not done. Ellie's behind you.
Okay.
Don't burn it.
Okay, we'll check that other side, see how it's doing.
Oh.
Looking good. Not burning.
Barely even. We're brown, but it's fine.
Yeah. We don't want to turn it up too high because we don't want to burn our pancake. We want to give it a chance to cook evenly in the center, yeah. So it's not raw in the center. Still looks a little raw on the edges here, so we're going to give it a little bit longer.
Yeah.
spots. Shows little raw spots.
Actually, my phone probably was really close to the pan.
Don't get it too close. I'm picking up all the lines on the stove.
Oh, well. It's so good and all.
That didn't hurt. It was just a bag.
Oh, I thought you hit the cabinet. Gotta get that middle. The middle's still not.
Yep.
It's fluffy.
It's okay. It may very well still be cooked in the center. This is just a really fluffy pancake, so we're just going to cook it a couple more minutes. We don't want to burn it, but as long as we're just evenly toasting it on each side.
Should I put the milk back in the fridge?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's get a plate. That looks like a good evenly cooked pancake. Let's make another one.
Make another one.
Pancake looks pretty good. We're gonna put a little more butter in the skillet.
Yeah, see it. Try to see if it's cooked in the middle. Seems pretty solid in the middle. It's hot though. Ouch.
Some more butter. I'm gonna spoon out another. I'll try to get this one a little flatter in here.
Okay, so
It doesn't take quite as long to cook.
the dogs are going. Each other outside.
They're okay.
I know. But
Okay, we'll try to make this guy a little thinner so it doesn't take as long to cook.
can I like smush it here?
No. You're gonna get the dough. You can't smush it until it's cooked on the other side. And you don't want to touch your other pancake.
I
You just
know.
got raw dough on it. So you want to wait until.
So this is why I don't cook.
Yeah, 'cause that's why you're learning.
Mm-hmm.
So once this gives that a couple minutes to harden a little bit, and then we'll flip it and we'll cook the other side.
Yep. I know he wants me to put her.
It's okay.
Is that butter right there on the edge right there that you didn't put in there?
No, it's part of the other pancake that broke off.
Let's get that in.
You want to do a sample taste test? See if it's any good? It's too hot right now. Don't do it. Burn your fingers.
That one's a little burnt though. But it's fine.
Yeah. Oh, so that one's cooking a little.
That one's a little darker.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of looks like a maze.
Mm-hmm.
Just sample taste test. Here, I got a little piece. It's a little too hot right now though.
Let's check the other side. Nope, it's
Nope.
still not done in the center because we went to flip it and it stuck to our spatula, but that side's cooking. So we're gonna give it another couple minutes. You gonna try your
Oh.
taste test piece?
Piece here, I'm gonna try, see if it's any good. Good, but that little piece was a little crispy on the outside because it was in the pan for too long, but it's pretty good. May need some syrup with it.
Yep, well, that's okay if it does. Okay. Okay, we're gonna cook that side just another second, and this guy's gonna be done. Another second on that side.